Hello friends, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture, I am going to discuss about DC machine. This is lecture number 1 and I am going to develop around 20 lectures on DC machine. So this is my first lecture on DC machine. I am going to discuss about the magnetic circuit and fundamentals of magnetic circuit. So here in this lecture, I am going to talk about the fundamental concepts of electrical machines. We know each electrical rotating machine has separate identity and it is based on their principle. Different principle, different machine. Right? So these rotating machines are used for generation purpose. You can say it is a generator. Motoring purpose called as motor, control system, etc. So what is a generator? We can say generator, it is a machine which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. It converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. So mechanical energy किस form में देने वाले? We are giving in motion. Okay, so it will convert into electrical energy. सो मोशन के फॉर्म में देने वाले, इसका मतलब है मैकेनिकल जो जनरेटर है उसको हमको रोटेट करना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ सम प्राइम मूवर. Clear? So that is turbine or diesel engine or motor. So with the help of turbine, we will rotate the generator. So we are giving mechanical energy as input and it will convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Actually, this DC machine, maybe a motor or generator, they are known as energy converter device. We can't create the energy, we can't produce the energy, we can convert from one form to another. So generator क्या करता है? मैकेनिकल एनर्जी को काय में कन्वर्ट करता है? इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में. Right? Motor, it is a machine which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy in the form of motion. So motor क्या है? इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी स्विच ऑन करेंगे तो इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी ले गई है, it is a input. Okay, and it will convert into mechanical energy in the form of motion. So this is a motor. What is the input for motor? Electrical energy. What is the output for motor? Mechanical energy in the form of motion. Right? Generator, this is the generator. Generator में input क्या है? Mechanical energy in the form of motion. And what is the output? Electrical energy. So this is a generator. Right? So it is a motor and generator. So it is a DC machine. Now, what is the difference between DC machine and AC machine? How you are going to excite? अगर आप इनपुट इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी ले रहे हैं तो कौन सी फॉर्म में लेंगे? डीसी के फॉर्म में, इट इज ए डीसी मशीन. एसी के फॉर्म में लेंगे तो एसी मशीन. अगर वो जनरेटर है, इट विल जनरेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एसी, इट इज एसी जनरेटर, दैट इज अल्टरनेटर. अगर डीसी के फॉर्म में जनरेट कर रहा है, डीसी वोल्टेज इंड्यूस कर रहा है तो इट इज ए डीसी जनरेटर, लाइक दैट. ओके, now next slide. Before discussing the DC machine, maybe fundamental principle of generator or motor, right, we want to discuss some fundamental concepts of electrical machines. पहला concept क्या है? Poles will be required because we know when you are going to generate, when you are going to convert electrical energy into mechanical energy, without the magnetic field it is not possible. Similarly, अगर आप मैकेनिकल टू इलेक्ट्रिकल में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं, so without the magnetic flux, without the magnetic field, it is not possible. So magnetic field or flux is very very important. Clear? So इसके लिए कैसे flux कैसे बनेगा? Clear? So it will require poles. So how the poles will be formed? एक हो सकता है कि permanent magnet हो, permanent flux हो. दूसरा होता है टेम्परेरी मैग्नेट, टेम्परेरी फ्लक्स. एंड जनरली इन डीसी मशीन में हम टेम्परेरी मैग्नेट लेते हैं. टेम्परेरी इलेक्ट्रिकल फ्लक्स इज देयर, वी आर प्रोड्यूसिंग इलेक्ट्रिकल फ्लक्स, इट इज नॉट परमानेंट फ्लक्स. राइट? तो कैसे प्रोड्यूस करेंगे? तो क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है इसके लिए? हाउ द पोल्स विल बी फॉर्म्ड. पोल्स विल बी फॉर्म्ड मतलब हाउ द मैग्नेट्स विल बी produced, which will be the north pole, which will be the south pole. सो इसके लिए दो थिंग्स लगने वाली है। एक लगता है डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट, क्लियर, एंड डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट कौन देने वाला है, हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट, बाय क्रॉस एंड डॉट कन्वेंशन। ओके, दिस विल गिव द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट। और दूसरा लगने वाला राइट हैंड थंब रूल। ये दो चीजें अगर आपको मालूम है, यू कैन गेट द आइडिया विच विल बी द नॉर्थ पोल, विच विल बी द साउथ पोल। क्लियर, परमानेंट मैग्नेट नहीं है ये। परमानेंट मैग्नेट का एक ड्रॉबैक क्या है कि अगर परमानेंट मैग्नेट है, यू कांट कंट्रोल द फ्लक्स, यू कांट चेंज द वैल्यू ऑफ फ्लक्स, इसलिए टेम्परेरी फ्लक्स लेते हैं। Okay, so how the poles will be formed? Two things will be required. One is called as cross and dot convention. Clear? Of current, this one, and second is the right hand thumb rule. So what is a cross and dot convention current? अगर आपका एक कंडक्टर है, this is the conductor, और करंट अपने से दूर जा रहा है, away from us towards the core, it is represented by cross. So cross कैसे represent करता है? What is a cross? It shows the direction of current. It shows the away from us. Direction of current is what? Direction of current is away from us. Direction of current is away from us, means towards the core. Dot means what? Dot means what? Direction of current. Direction of current towards us. Direction of current is towards us. It is represented by dot. Away from us, it is represented by cross. Okay, so this is the direction of current. Next, right hand thumb rule. This is the second thing. Right hand thumb rule क्या बताता है? Keep your right hand in such a way. You can say this is the right hand. This is your right hand, right? Keep the current. This is what? Current carrying conductor, right? So direction of current is like this. Upward direction में अगर है. So thumb indicates the direction of current. Thumb indicates the direction of current. Then all these fingers, all these curled finger indicates the direction of flux produced around it. ये direction of current है, ये show कर रहा है like that, and direction of flux produced like that, right? ये dot means current is coming towards us. Clear? Then all these curled finger indicates the direction of flux. Okay. So that is the right hand thumb rule. So keep your right hand in such a way. Thumb indicates the direction of current. Then all these curled finger indicates the direction of flux. Clear? उसका उल्टा भी ले सकते हैं. This is the core and this is the coil, current carrying coil. You can say this is the direction of current like this, right? So keep the current carrying conductor in such a way. Thumb indicates the direction of current. देखो ये thumb show कर रहा है direction of current in this direction. Okay, then all these curled finger, these are the curled finger indicates the direction of flux around it. Clear? So दोनों टाइप का रूल है. Fingers indicates the direction of current, then thumb indicates the direction of flux, or vice versa. Thumb indicates the direction of current, then fingers will indicate the direction of flux produced around it. ये क्या, ये fingers क्या show कर रही हैं? Direction of current. Clear? So the thumb will show the direction of flux. Okay, like that. और ये उल्टा बताया है. Thumb indicates the direction of current, then fingers will show the direction of flux. Both are correct. Now flux is going in this way, right? So जहां से tip of the pole from where the flux leaves, right? That is called as north pole, and flux straight नहीं flow होता, it is flowing in like that. It is forming a closed loop. ऐसा जाएगा. And tip of the pole where flux enters is called as south pole. So tip of the pole from where flux leaves called as north pole, tip of the pole where flux enters called as south pole. ऐसा जहां से एंटर करता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? South pole. So in this way magnet will be formed and it will show the polarity. Okay, so that is the way of how the poles will be formed. It will require two things: direction of current, it is represented by cross, and dot. Cross means away from us, dot means towards us. Okay, and then right hand thumb rule. It shows the direction of current and flux produced around it. Okay. The next one is how the poles will be formed. I'm just explaining it again, how the poles will be formed. So I'm going to explain, just assume it. I'm taking a this part. What is this? ये क्या है? What is this called as? You can say it is a rectangle. But as being an electrical engineer, is it rectangle or you can say it is a core? Yes, it is a iron core. Simply you can say it is a iron core. Right? Now another figure I'm going to draw. This is the iron core. Clear? And this is the winding wound around it like this. राइट. सो व्हाट इज दिस कॉल्ड एज? कोर के ऊपर अगर वाइंडिंग है इसको बोलते हैं सोलेनाइड. इट इज कॉल्ड एज सोलेनाइड. इफ द कोर इज देयर, रेक्टेंगल कोर इज देयर, उसके ऊपर वाइंडिंग है, उसको बोलेंगे सोलेनाइड. अगर रिंग है, रिंग होता है उसके ऊपर वाइंडिंग होती है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? टोराइड. याद रखना. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज सोलेनाइड. राइट. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रा वन मोर फिगर. Okay, this is what? Okay, core. Now I'm going to place the coil over it. Coil, right? So this is the coil we have. This is the coil we have. दिस इज द कॉइल. इसको क्या बोलेंगे? सोलेनाइड. नाउ अगर यहाँ पर आपका क्रॉस एंड डॉट बना दिया, मतलब क्या हुआ? दैट इज कॉल्ड एज करंट कैरिंग सोलेनाइड. सो उसके लिए डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट आई एम गोइंग टू शो. दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट. क्लियर? दिस इज द करंट कैरिंग सोलेनाइड. इट इज कॉल्ड एज करंट कैरिंग सोलेनाइड. इट इज कॉल्ड एज करंट कैरिंग सोलेनाइड. करंट कैरिंग है तो यहाँ पर करंट क्या हो रहा है? देखो यहां से यहां तक दिख नहीं रहा ना, इसका मतलब यहाँ करंट जा रहा है अपने से दूर. इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाई क्रॉस. और यहाँ देखो, यहाँ करंट टूवर्ड्स अस आ रहा है, यहाँ से बैक साइड से जा रहा है और यहाँ दिख रहा है यहाँ से फ्रंट साइड से, तो यहाँ आ रहा है टूवर्ड्स अस. इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाई डॉट. इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाई क्रॉस एंड डॉट. क्लियर? और डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट इज लाइक दैट, like this. Right? So it is a direction of current carrying solenoid it is called. Now you know, clear? You know the cross and dot means current carrying solenoid is there, and once you have a current carrying solenoid, so use the right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule use करके you can find the direction of current. So I am going to show one more figure. Same. Yeah, thumb क्या show कर रहा है? Cross means away from us towards the board. Towards the board you can use the right hand. Clear? And right hand में क्या यूज करना है? एक right hand मतलब thumb यूज करना है और all curled finger. So cross का मतलब क्या? Away from us towards board. Right? So what is the direction of all this curled finger? Around this. ऐसा दिखेगा. Just see there. Like this. Dot का मतलब क्या है? Towards us. Towards us. तो all this curled finger का डायरेक्शन कैसे रहेगा? In this way. Like this. You can see, you can use it. Okay? So flux ऐसा और ऐसा है, इसका मतलब flux is flowing in this way. In this way. So यहाँ से लीव करेगा, उसको क्या बोलेंगे? नॉर्थ पोल. और यहाँ से एंटर करेगा, इसको क्या बोलेंगे? उसको क्या बोलेंगे, साउथ पोल. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन गेट द polarity. This is the north pole and this is the south pole. So ये कौन सा magnet है? It is called as temporary magnet, electromagnet. Because of flow of current, it is producing, it is becoming magnet. It is called as electromagnet. Clear? So क्या क्या लगने वाला है? One core and current carrying coil and right hand thumb rule. You will get the polarity which will be the north pole, which will be the south pole. In this way, so this is a magnet. कौन सा magnet है? Electromagnet. It is a iron bar, it is a electromagnet, right? Okay, so that is the way of forming the poles. So I'm rubbing it. I'm rubbing it actually. Now next, force on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. We know if any conductor, if it is carrying the current in a magnetic field, मान लो एक कंडक्टर है, सपोज करो कि I have one wire, this is the conductor, right? This is the conductor I have. I am going to show the conductor like this. This is the one conductor coil, you can say, right? And it is carrying the current. कोई भी wire जो है वो carry कर रहा है current flow हो रहा है. So इसको क्या कह सकते हैं आप? You can say it is a current carrying conductor. Will it produce a flux? Will it produce a force around it? No, force will not be produced. But if this current carrying conductor placed between north pole, this is the north pole and south pole, ऐसा अगर है, इसका मतलब है you can say this is the conductor carrying the current placed in a magnetic field between north pole and south pole. This जो area है इसको क्या बोलेंगे? मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. अगर कोई भी कंडक्टर कैरी कर रहा है करंट एंड प्लेस्ड कहाँ है? मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में. सो दिस कंडक्टर विल एक्सपीरियंस द फोर्स and will try to move. फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस करेगा तो मूव भी करने की कोशिश करेगा, थोड़ा हिलने की कोशिश करेगा. क्लियर? एंड इफ दिस फोर्स इज मोर देन द frictional force, it will move. So it will try. Now what is the direction of this force? It will be given by Fleming's left hand rule. Fleming's left hand rule. We will discuss this Fleming's left hand rule, right? And what is the amount of this force? F equal to BIL newtons. B is the magnetic field को represent करता है flux density. I is the current carrying conductor है और L is the length of conductor है. So force is proportional to flux density and current carrying conductor. और जितना ज्यादा लेंथ होगी उतना ज्यादा फोर्स ज्यादा होगा. सो F इक्वल टू क्या? अमाउंट ऑफ फोर्स कितना रहेगा? F इक्वल टू BIL, राइट? B मतलब मैग्नेटिक एनर्जी है, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को शो करता है. I इज द करंट, इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट को शो करता है, राइट? सो करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर प्लेस्ड इन ए मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, इट विल एक्सपीरियंस द फोर्स. व्हाट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ दैट फोर्स? फोर्स का अमाउंट कहां से मिलेगा? इस फार्मूला से. व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स? कौन देगा? फ्लेमिंग्स लेफ्ट हैंड रूल. सो आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस फ्लेमिंग्स लेफ्ट हैंड रूल. Clear? Okay. So what is the Fleming's left hand rule? You can carry your left hand in such a way, first finger, second finger and thumb, these three are perpendicular to each other. First finger, second finger and thumb should be perpendicular to each other. Clear? You have to use the left hand only. Then first finger indicates the field, direction of field. First finger क्या show करता है? Direction of field, like that. It shows the direction of field. Clear? Second कौन सा cause? We have two causes. क्या है causes? कौन सा है? These are the two causes. What are the two causes? This current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field. These are the two causes, B and I. Placed in a magnetic field. क्या होने वाला है? Force will be produced. That is the effect. So ये तीन चीजें हैं, तीन fingers हैं, दो cause हैं और एक effect है. What is the first finger? Indicates the field always. Second finger indicates the direction of current. These are the two causes. First finger indicates the field, second finger indicates the direction of current, then thumb will show the direction of force. And be careful about it. These three fingers should be perpendicular to each other. याद रखना. Thumb will show the direction of force. And force मतलब output क्या है इसका? Electrical की mechanical? Mechanical मतलब it shows the motion. So thumb will show the direction of motion. Clear? That is the Fleming's left hand rule. These two are the causes. This is the effect. Be careful about it, right? And what is the amount of that force? F equal to what? Bi into L newtons. So that is the we will discuss. That is what is a Fleming's left hand rule. Keep your left hand in such a way. First finger, second finger, and thumb should be perpendicular to each other. Then first finger indicates the field. Second finger indicates the direction of current carrying by the coil. Then thumb will show the direction of motion. That is the effect. Okay. So it is a Fleming's left hand rule. Okay. The next. Okay, sorry. Okay. So you can use this is your left hand. These three fingers are perpendicular to each other. Fingers should be perpendicular to each other. All these three, right? So first finger indicate. अच्छा, यहाँ पर क्या है? This is called as magnetic field from here to here, north to south. This is the magnetic field, and we know flux flows from north pole to south pole. North pole to south pole, like that. This is the flux leaves the north pole and enters at the south pole. आप बोलेंगे सर ये नॉर्थ और साउथ लगने वाला नहीं, मैग्नेट जो रहता है वो पूरा कंप्लीट मैग्नेट रहता है. अगर ये नॉर्थ है तो ये साउथ रहेगा. क्लियर? ये साउथ है तो ये नॉर्थ रहेगा. सो दिस इज ए मैग्नेटिक फील्ड बिटवीन टू पोल्स नॉर्थ एंड साउथ. दैट एरिया called as magnetic field. So first thumb will show the direction of field. That okay. Then second finger, this is the conductor. कौन सा conductor? Current carrying conductor. It shows the direction of current, like that. Okay. So thumb shows the direction of current in this way. Direction में flow हो रहा है ऐसा. So it shows the direction of current. This finger shows the direction of current. First finger indicates the field. These two are perpendicular to each other. Then upward direction में क्या रहेगा? Force. So this conductor will experience force and in upward direction. इसका मतलब this conductor will experience the force in upward direction. This conductor will try to rotate on the axis, right? It will try to move in the axis, like ऊपर की तरफ जाने की कोशिश करेगा. In this way it will rotate. So this is the Fleming's left hand rule. These are the two causes. Clear? And this is the effect. Okay. This is known as Fleming's left hand rule. So examiner may ask this question: Fleming's left hand rule is applicable where? Where this rule is applicable? It is applicable only for motors, not for generators, right? Next. Now you can see here direction of force. So I'm going to show it again. Suppose this is the north pole and this is the south pole. Okay, and यहाँ पर north से south के बीच में क्या होगा? Flux will move in this way. Like that, right? So यहाँ से आपका क्या है? This is called as field. All which flux leaves the north pole and enters at the south pole. These are the flux lines. और यहाँ पर आपका एक कोर है. सर्कुलर कोर इज देयर. जस्ट लाइक ये कोर ऐसा नहीं है, कोर ऐसा होता है बेलन टाइप का, चपाती बनाने का बेलन. क्लियर? दिस इज द चपाती बनाने का बेलन जो रहता है ना, वैसा कुछ है ये, लाइक दिस. ओके। और इसके ऊपर कॉइल्स आर प्लेस्ड, दिस कोर के ऊपर है ना, यहाँ पर कॉइल्स आर प्लेस्ड आर देयर। ओके, सो देयर आर सो मेनी कॉइल्स आर देयर। मैं शो करने के लिए एक ही कॉइल कर ले रहा हूँ, एक एंड ए है और दूसरा एंड ए, मतलब एक कॉइल है। सो कॉइल कैसे मूव करेगी, जस्ट हियर, कॉइल कैसी रहेगी, ये कॉइल ऐसी मूव होगी, दिस इज वन कॉइल, यू कैन से हियर, this is the end connection, this is the second end of the coil, and these are the two ends of a coil, like this. कहाँ connect होंगे, we will discuss later on, but this is the coil. And actually क्या होगा, this is force कहाँ produce होने वाला है, current carrying coil, this is the current carrying coil, like this. Clear? So force will be produced here, and coil क्या रहता है, flexible रहती है, flexible रहेगी तो force produce होने के बाद हो सकता है वो move ना हो, तो coil को कहाँ place करते हैं, कोर के ऊपर। जब कॉइल में फोर्स प्रोड्यूस होगा तो ऑटोमेटिकली कोर में प्रोड्यूस हो जाएगा, एंड कोर विल रोटेट, एंड कोर विल रोटेट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन, लाइक दैट, इट विल रोटेट ऑन द एक्सिस, right na, so core will rotate. So that is the motor principle. Anyway, I am going to show, this is the current carrying coil. Now I can see current carrying coil है, इसका मतलब है it shows the direction of current. So direction of current क्या होगा, क्रॉस अभी फ्रॉम अस है, और यहाँ ऑटोमेटिकली डॉट आ जाएगा टूवर्ड्स अस, या यहाँ डॉट है तो यहाँ क्रॉस आएगा। एंड आई वांट टू से यू, यहाँ सब जगह कोर है, यहाँ कॉइल है, यहाँ तो सब जगह क्या रहेगा, यहाँ पर क्रॉस, सब में क्रॉस 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 है, यहाँ सब में क्या रहेगा, डॉट डॉट डॉट, लाइक दैट, like that. Clear? So this conductor will called as current carrying conductor, placed in a magnetic field. Clear? So by using the Fleming's left hand rule, first finger indicates the field, second finger indicates the direction of current away from us, then this conductor will experience the force in downward direction, and this conductor will experience the force in upward direction. This conductor will experience the force here, this conductor will experience the force here, this conductor will experience the force here, like that, and all these conductor will experience the force, so it will rotate in this direction, and core will start rotating in this direction. आपने अगर पोलरिटी चेंज कर दी, यहाँ डॉट यहाँ क्रॉस कर दिया होता तो पोलर डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट विल बी चेंज, तो इसका मतलब क्या होगा, डायरेक्शन ऑफ रोटेशन विल आल्सो बी चेंज. So this is the way of how the force will be produced and how will you get the direction of motion, right? Okay, next you can see here, देखो ये डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट है, देखो ये डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट है, यू कैन सी हियर, राइट, दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट, इट इज गोइंग इन दिस वे, लाइक दिस 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 दिस, क्लियर? और ये इसको क्या बोलते हैं, कम्यूटेटर, आई विल शो इट लेटर ऑन आल्सो. This is the north pole, let us say, this is the south pole, okay, this is the commutator is there, we'll discuss, and this is the brushes. So current कहाँ से आ रहा है, brushes के through आ रहा है, because it is a motor, it is called as current carrying conductor, so current will come like that from brushes to here to coil, it is called as current carrying coil, and this is the north pole, this is the south pole, the flux is flowing in this way, in this direction. Okay, use the left hand, first finger indicates the field, like that, clear? Then thumb will show the direction of current, like this, to मतलब यहाँ towards us, away from, यहाँ से अपने से दूर जा रहा है तो away from us, क्रॉस आएगा इधर. Then this conductor will experience the force in upward direction, right? और ये कंडक्टर डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में आएगा फोर्स. सो दिस कंडक्टर विल रोटेट इन दिस डायरेक्शन, ऑन द एक्सिस इट विल रोटेट लाइक दैट, दिस, clear ना? In this way that motor will rotate. What is the amount of force? F equal to what? B into I into L. More the B, मतलब नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल बहुत स्ट्रांग है, बी ज्यादा है तो फोर्स विल बी मोर। क्लियर? या तो करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर जो है, करंट इसका ज्यादा करंट हो, या दोनों ज्यादा हो, या नंबर ऑफ लेंथ, नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स ज्यादा हो। नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स मतलब एक टर्न्स की कॉइल नहीं है ये, सो मेनी टर्न्स आर देयर लाइक दैट। क्लियर? सो एल बढ़ाना है तो नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स बढ़ाना है। सो इन दिस वे you can get more force. It will convert electrical energy, it is a current carrying conductor, into mechanical force. Okay, and torque will be produced and that will rotate. So this is the direction, right? Now one more principle we are going to discuss here. Let us say this is the north pole, this is the south, north, and this is the south. So flux is moving in this direction, ऐसा flux जा रहा है, like that. Always leave the north pole and enters at the south pole. So this area is known as magnetic field. Now you can say this is the coil. This is the coil. You can say this is the end connection. This is the coil conductor. Okay. Now this coil is connected to here. This is called as commutator or split ring. Clear? और यहाँ पर क्या होगा? Brushes are there. This is the brushes are there, brushes are shifted here. So clear na? So क्या होगा? With the help of brushes, the source is there, so force current will flow in this way. ऐसा current आएगा, current will come here, through here, it will come to here, here, and यहाँ से वापस जाएगा. Current will come, go back. This will form it. So you can say it is a current carrying conductor. कहाँ placed है? Between the magnetic field. Clear? So according to Fleming's left hand rule, that conductor will start rotating. Okay, so first finger indicates the field. Okay, and this is the current carrying conductor, it will show by the second finger. Then this conductor will start rotating on the axis, this conductor will move on the axis. Okay, so force will be produced, the direction of force will be given by Fleming's left hand rule. So this is another figure is there, I am going to show it, right? Right, next, how the EMF induced? No, in a conductor. So इसके लिए क्या है? Generator is there. Generator में क्या होता है? If you give the mechanical energy, it will convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Clear? And electrical energy generate करने के लिए कौन सा law है? Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. If you take a magnetic energy, flux is there, and anyhow you are changing this flux. फ्लक्स को चेंज कैसे कर सकते हैं? या तो आप फ्लक्स का अमाउंट चेंज कम ज्यादा करते जाओ, या फिर फ्लक्स का अमाउंट सेम रखो. यू हैव टू रोटेट द कॉइल इन ए मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. सो व्हेन यू रोटेट द कॉइल इन ए मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, कटिंग ऑफ अमाउंट ऑफ फ्लक्स विल चेंज. फ्लक्स का अमाउंट चेंज होगा तो according to Faraday's law, d phi by dt and d phi by dt, EMF will be induced. That is given by Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. So that is the generator principle. What is the amount of EMF induced? Equal to minus n d phi by dt. Now minus क्या है? According to Lenge's law, whatever the EMF induced, it opposes the cause. So minus sign क्या बता रहा है? According to Lenge's law, जो कुछ भी EMF induced होगा, it will oppose the cause. Clear? So what is the generator principle? Whenever you rotate the coil in a magnetic field, क्या होगा? जब आपका कॉइल को रोटेट करोगे तो चेंजिंग अमाउंट ऑफ जो फ्लक्स कटिंग विल बी चेंज. फ्लक्स कटिंग विल बी डिफरेंट इन डिफरेंट पोजीशन. फ्लक्स कटिंग बाय व्हाट? कॉइल, बिकॉज यू आर रोटेटिंग द कॉइल, तो डिफरेंट पोजीशन में डिफरेंट फ्लक्स कट गया. और जो फ्लक्स कटेगा तो क्या होगा? डिफरेंट अमाउंट ऑफ फ्लक्स लिंक्स विद द कॉइल. इसका मतलब है चेंजिंग अमाउंट ऑफ फ्लक्स विल लिंक विद द कॉइल. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू विच लॉ? Faraday's law of right hand rule. Fleming's right hand rule, EMF will be induced. डायरेक्शन कौन देने वाला है? Fleming's लेफ्ट हैंड रूल, राइट हैंड रूल, सॉरी, जनरेटर के केस में फ्लेमिंग्स right hand rule. And what is the amount of EMF induced? Amount of EMF induced will be given by this formula, E small e equal to BLV. B means magnetic energy must be there, L is there, V is the mechanical energy, velocity दिखाता है. So mechanical energy will be converted into electrical energy. Mechanical energy कहाँ होनी चाहिए? Magnetic field में. So if you take two things will be required, एक mechanical energy that is a velocity and एक magnetic energy that is B. So EMF will be induced E equal to what? BLV volts. V क्या है इसमें? Velocity है. Okay? And direction कहाँ से मिलेगा? Fleming's right hand rule से. Fleming's right hand rule. What is a Fleming's right hand rule? Fleming's right hand rule क्या है? Keep your right hand in such a way, first finger, second finger and thumb perpendicular to each other. These three fingers must be perpendicular to each other. So what are the causes? ये दो cause हैं, क्या है? B and V. Clear? Conductor. You have to rotate the conductor. कहाँ rotate करना है? Magnetic energy में, magnetic field में. So if you rotate the conductor in a magnetic field, this is the two causes. Rotate the conductor in a magnetic field, so that conductor will cut the flux and EMF will be induced, and that will show the direction of EMF induced. That is the effect. These are the two causes and this is the effect, right? So fingers are same. For Fleming's left hand rule में भी first finger field बता रहा था, यहाँ पर भी बता रहा है. वहां पर भी डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट या EMF बता रहा था, सेकंड फिंगर यहाँ भी बता रहा है. वहां थंब मोशन शो कर रहा था, यहाँ भी शो कर रहा, बट कॉज एंड इफेक्ट चेंज हो रहा है. वहां पर ये दो कॉज थे, ये इफेक्ट था. अभी यहाँ पर ये और ये कॉज है और ये इफेक्ट. बी केयरफुल अबाउट इट. सो फ्लेमिंग्स राइट हैंड रूल क्या बोलता है? कीप योर राइट हैंड इन सच ए वे, द फर्स्ट फिंगर, द सेकंड फिंगर एंड थंब परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर. द फर्स्ट फिंगर इंडिकेट्स द फील्ड, thumb indicates the direction of motion, that is mechanical energy, and second finger will show the direction of EMF induced. That is the cause. Sorry, this is the effect. Okay. So this is the Fleming's right hand rule, and direction of force will be given by Fleming's right hand rule, and amount of force क्या है? E equal to what? Amount of EMF induced क्या है? E equal to BLV. V is the velocity, right? You can say this is the Fleming's right hand rule. These three fingers, you can say this finger, first finger, right, first finger, second finger and thumb perpendicular to each other. Okay, first finger indicates the magnetic energy, that is B. Thumb shows the direction of force. These are the two causes, and then second finger will indicate the direction of EMF induced or direction of current, that is the effect. Okay, this is the Fleming's right hand rule. Okay, so I am stopping here. Next slide. Okay, next slide. So that is the generator principle. Okay, this is the north pole, this is the north pole, this is the south pole. So this area is known as magnetic field, like that. Always flux leaves the north pole, enters at the south pole, like that. This is the magnetic field, and in this magnetic field we have a conductor, and it is called as current. Okay, so this conductor is there, and it is called as what? जनरेटर है तो क्या होगा? इसको रोटेट करना है. मोटर का जनरेटर का प्रिंसिपल है, तो यू आर रोटेटिंग बाय एनी हाउ, यू आर रोटेटिंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन, राइट. So EMF will be induced in this conductor, and this EMF connected to what? Commutator. This later on, and this is the brushes. So it will collect the current and come towards the lamp load, and in this way it will make a complete path. So this is what generator principle. Right? Next. Okay. So I had discussed what is a generator, what is a motor, how the poles will be formed, what is the direction of motor, what is the Fleming's left hand rule, Fleming's right hand rule, clear, and what is the, how to show the direction of current. So in the next lecture, I will start the working, what is the construction of DC machine. Same machine can work as generator or motor. So we'll discuss point later on. This was the general idea about the motor and generator. Okay, so I'm stopping it here. Okay, thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.